Good morning. I am Dibyendu Mondol. Today I am discussing about solar PV system. Okay, solar PV system. Okay, solar PV system. First one is the classification. Okay, classification. Solar PV systems are broadly classified as follows. First one, central power station system. Okay, our first one is the central power. Okay, central power station system. Okay, central power station system, that is our first. Second is the distributed system. Second one is the distributed system. Distributed system. Okay, third one. Okay, second one is the distributed system. Distributed system, there are several classification. Okay, first one is the distributed system. There are three classification. Okay, distribution system, there are three classification. First one is the stand-alone system. Stand-alone system. Second one is the grid interactive system. Okay, grid interactive system. Okay, and third one is the small system for consumer application. Small system for consumer application. Okay, small system for consumer application. So the first one, we discuss about central power station system. Okay, our first thing, central power station system. Central power station system. Central power station system. Okay, central power station system, actually central PV power stations are conceptually similar to any other conventional central power station. They feed power to grid. These are being processed in few MW range to meet daytime peak loads only. Central PV power station of up to 6 megawatt. Okay, 6 megawatt. Up to 6 megawatt. Okay, up to 6 megawatt capacities have already been experimented within USA and Europe. Okay, our second topic, second one is the distributed system. Distributed system, second one is the distributed system. Distributed system, distributed form of energy use is unique and much more successful with solar and most other renewable energy sources. Okay, renewable energy sources. These systems can be further divided into three groups. First one is the stand-alone system. Stand-alone system. Okay, stand-alone system. Stand-alone system, it is located at the load center and dedicated to meet all the electrical load, okay, of a village or community or a specific set of loads, okay, all the electrical loads of a village. Electrical loads of a village, all the electrical load of a village, okay, or community or a specific set of loads. Energy alone, energy storage is generally essential. It is not relevant and successful in remote and rural areas. Okay, our second one is the grid interactive system. Okay, grid interactive system. Grid interactive system. Grid interactive system, the system is connected to the unity. Okay, another one is it may be a small rooftop system owned and operated by the house owner or a relatively bigger system. Okay, so it may be a small rooftop system, small rooftop system. Okay, small rooftop system. Another one is the small system for consumer application. Small system for consumer application. Small system for consumer application. Okay, small system for consumer application. These systems are meant for low energy consumer devices requiring power in the range of microwatt to 10 Wp and mostly designed for indoor application. Okay, that is for calculator, watches. Okay, calculator, watches. So first we discuss about stand-alone solar PV system. Stand-alone solar PV system, the main component of a general stand-alone solar PV system is shown in this diagram. Okay, তাহলে first one, okay, তাহলে our first topic, stand-alone solar PV system. Stand-alone solar PV system. Okay, stand-alone solar PV system. Okay, if you draw the diagram, first one is the solar array, very rough sketch. Okay, this one is the solar array, and this one is the connected to PWM switching regulator, connected to PWM switching regulator, regulator, okay, PWM, switching the regulator. Another one is the feedback signal, feedback signal, okay, feedback signal, okay, there is a connection, okay. Then another one line goes to battery charger, okay, goes to battery charger. Another one is the change controller, and another one is the mode controller, okay, mode controller, okay. And battery charger, there is another one connection to the battery, okay, there is a battery, this is the, okay, these are the batteries, okay. And another one is the DC to AC inverter, DC to AC inverter, okay, battery charger. So battery charger to another one, line connected to this one, okay. And another one is the dump load, okay, another one line, and there is a dump load, okay. This is the diagram, okay, this is the diagram. And if you draw the arrow, okay, if you draw feedback signaling system, if you draw the arrow, this one comes down, okay, and another one is the battery to this one comes down, okay. So this one is a general standalone solar PV system, okay. So the MPPT senses the voltage and current output, okay, voltage and current output of the array, and adjust the opening point to extract maximum power under the given climatic condition. The output of array, okay, this is the load, okay, output of the array after converting to AC is fed to loads. The array output in excess of load requirement is used to charge battery, okay. If excess power is still available after fully charging the battery, it may be shunted to dump heaters. The battery discharge diode DB prevents the battery from being overcharged after the charger is opened, okay. And another one is the grid interactive solar PV system. Grid interactive solar PV system, okay, grid interactive solar PV system. First one, if you draw the grid interactive solar PV system, grid interactive solar PV system, okay, grid interactive solar PV system, okay. First one, the grid interactive solar PV system. If you draw the diagram, first one, if you draw, this one is the array field. Okay, array field. Okay, this one is the, this is the arrow. Okay, another one connection there. Okay, these two, there is a connection, this one. Okay, these are the array field. Totally this is the array field. Okay, these are the array field. Okay, another one is the PMW switching regulator. There is a connection. There is a PMW switching regulator. PMW switching regulator. PMW switching regulator. Okay, and feedback signal. There is another one connection. Feedback signal. Feedback signals. Okay, feedback signals. This one is the, there is another one arrow, and outer DC to AC inverter and filter. DC to AC, CV, DC to AC inverter, DC to AC, DC to AC inverter, and another one is the local load. Okay, another one is the local load, and then transformer, and then grid. Okay, then transformer, and then grid. Okay, transformer and grid. So first one is the, in a grid interactive system, all excess power is fed to a grid and dump heater are not required. Also, during absence or inadequate sunshine, supply of power is maintained from the grid, and thus battery is eliminated. The mechanism for synchronized operation is incorporated. The DC power is first converted to AC by inverter, harmonics or filter, and then only the filtered power is fed into the grid after adjusting the voltage level. Recently, PV modules are being made with inverters after adjusting the voltage level. Okay, this is the schematic diagram of grid interactive solar PV system. Okay, our next topic is the hybrid solar PV system. Okay, hybrid. Solar PV system. It is not economical or practical to provide all energy from PV system. Okay, in such cases it may be more economical to provide some of the system. Okay, more economical. Okay, to provide some of the system energy needs by other means such as diesel, gasoline, generator or any other non-conventional source like wind or fuel cell. Such a system is called hybrid system. The best cost effectiveness is generally obtained when none of the PV generated energy is wasted. Okay, তাহলে best cost effective, best cost effective, best cost effective, okay, is তাহলে best cost effective. আচ্ছা, another one is the solar PV application. Solar PV application, solar PV applications. Okay, solar PV applications. The first large size 1 megawatt gold interactive PV plant was installed in Ligo in California. USA. The second and largest plant was installed in Carissa Plains, California, USA. Okay, and also some of other large size plants are operating in various countries. Okay, now various countries, a 200 kilowatt grid interactive SPV plant installed recently at village Katkarlan, okay, district Naoneshwar of Punjab. Okay, the number of small rooftop and grid interactive system are successfully being operated at various parts of the world. Okay, a total this 1791 kilowatt stand-alone SPV system have been installed so far in the country. Okay, this is the solar PV application. Okay, thank you.